Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. If you see the message the computer restart unacceptedly or encounter or unaccepted error, Windows installation cannot proceed, you can often fix it through Registry tutorial. First, right click Start button, then select Run and type Registry. Click OK. Then expand SQI local machine, expand system, expand setup, expand status. Double click child completion. In the right pane find setup.exe. Double click it. Change the value data from 1 to 3. Click OK. Restart your computer. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.